Laki. Nagbigay kay nanay na kamatis si Manong Carlo. Joke kasi si Carlo. Kapitbahay po namin. Malaki ng kamatis ha. Maraming ito saan. Sarap yan. Garden na ayos ko dito. Pinutulang ko dito ng konti. Kaya hindi pa tapos. Ang paglinis-linis dito, bukas. At least dito nagkaroon ng konting ano. Kailangan kasi nila ng sun. 'Di ba? Pag may sun kasi iba yung aura ng halaman. Kaysa yung parating lilim, 'di ba? Ang kulit na. Ay si Mingming. Dami naming labahin. Ayan si Mingming. Buhay sa Pinas. Mga ganyan po talaga buhay sa Pinas. Maraming basahan. Joke. Sampay. Sanampay is life in Philippines. Kami ni Frank. Kasi naiinit to si Frank. Kaya walking kami doon sa mga palayan daw. Palayan. Lakad kami dalawa ni Frank. Yan, magbibilad po sila ng palay today. Hindi, yung mga kapitbahay po namin. Kasi, they're still applying yung old times na po. So, ayan. Ano yun? Parang may patay dun ah. Bato ba yun? Nakita ko dun parang something. Yan po yung beauty ng ano. When you grow up here in Philippines now, you miss this. I miss kasi I grew up in Albay. So, marami pong ano, maraming palayan. And we used to have one with my dad, kay Papa na po. So, we used to do, dyan, nagladop-ladop din kami dyan sa palayan na po. Kuha ng golden cohol ba? Matutuyo yata to today ah. Oh, matutuyo po na po. Sige po. They're very smiling, ha? Kasi ang ganda ng ano, Arayat Mountain. Exercise tayo dahil malaki na po ang ating bilbilis. Yung pong bilbilis, medyo pagka hindi po tayo masyadong ako kasi very active ako. So, syempre, napapalakas kain mo dito sa Pinas. Kailangan talagang kaya medyo mainit ha, Frank. It's quite a little hot, but it's okay. It's 8 o'clock na kasi.
You just say that because you're just beginning to work?
No.
I know you?
I don't know. Malunggay pandis. Dami pong nagbabike. One time we go to over there, what's the call? Diba? In the foot of the mountain. Yeah, it's not the same road. If he lives there one night. So, yun po. Ang daming mga ganyan. Yung ligaw na banan. Pagka nag-walk-in siya, minsan, ang dinadala niya yung smoke. Pag mahihinog na. Ay, naku, nahihiya. Sabi ko, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ano ka naman? Hindi naman siya pwedeng masisita siya. Pero pag sinabi niya namang is working in the... Ay. Hindi naman. Kasi, syempre, alam niya naman yung mga rules. Pero sabi ko ito sa Pinas, hindi pa pwede yung gano'n. Manghihingi ka talaga. Yan, daming itik. Yung itik po kasi after ane, they do that na po. Para syempre, wala na rin pong tipid ka rin sa sa pagkain na po. Kaya nilalagyan nila ng itik after harvest. Ano natin si ka-farmer. Yeah. This one? 2 million before. But now it's not for sale.
Ah, 2 millions, ça faisait 4 millions.
Ouais. This is ikaw, Kong Kong! Walk muna kami dalawa kasi naiinip to. Ha? Mga papuntang Gatchawin, ito po yung isang way para maiwasan nyo po yung traffic sa Jose Abad Santos sa center ng Arayat na po. Yung street na yun is Jose Abad Santos. Traffic po ngayon kasi ginagawa yung road doon. Yun. Road papuntang Magalang, ha, Frank? Road to go to Magalang in Mexico, ha? This road.
This road, yeah.
Yeah, so you can go both. Marami po siyang Mexico exit. Yeah, so you can take the North Expressway na po. So it's a small road. Lalo na po pag dumating kayo dun sa dulo, it's a small parang village na po, parang barrio din. So you just have to be careful. Pero nakakapas ba yung car? Yeah, this one is for sale before and someone bought it. Yeah. Fisherman, ha? Before. Maraming fisherman na. Siyempre, nanguli-huli din po ng mga content tilapia for everyday ano po, no, ulam. But then
chicken in Philippines, un truc comme ça.
Best rice. Ano?
Tu mets un truc comme ça et puis tu verras.
Suba, Blessed Farm. We have many farm here. Ha.
Suba, Blessed Farm. Là, elle a le plan pour là.
Na-intrigue kami dito. Yan. Ano ba? Papel yun eh. To protect the mango. Na-intrigue kami dyan. To protect the mango. I don't know. Amazed si Frank dyan. Yung papuntang Gatchawin. So, ganda ng bugambilya, ha. Marami din pong nagmamotor. That before we don't have, it's always like rice field before, remember? It's all rice field and you have a big yeah. Very young, huh? Let's say the driver. Very young. Maybe 8, maybe 7 years old. Yeah. And Frank don't know to. Yeah. Papunta ng Mexico. Gatchawin po dito. Tapos yung sa Magalang, hindi ko po alam kung you think the road for Magalang it's okay? No, I don't think you have to pass by here to go to Magalang, right?
No, this way.
No, the other road you can go already there. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bah we go by biking.
Ah.
But I think it's not
well,
round.
Not yet. But here you can join, I think, Magalang after. So it's the other way to go to the farmer. But you can go to Magalang by bike. I don't think if you... Yeah. So hindi pa namin napupuntahan if ever it's possible, I mean, na nakaano na siya. Nakaganito na yung road. Baka rough road pa rin po. Turo ko, don't mind. Papunta tong Gatchawin. Dami na rin pong dumadaan, ha. Tapos yun na yung pinaka-heart ng barangay Gatchawin. So it's... namin si Romel, kaya lang di ko na video. Mahina talaga. Isa lang daw yung delivery niya today. But you know, sometimes ganun talaga po. Business is... Pero darating din yung araw na madami. Ayan. Oh, many wali. Daming manoks. Ayan. Namimiss ko yung 3 manok namin sa France. Sana okay naman sila. Ayan po, ito na yung sa Gatchawin. Papunta ng Gatchawin. Ayan. Pabalik na kami. Ayan yung
Ça fait 45 minutes. C'est bien.
Dami ng tricycle na pumupunta dito. Mga dumadaan. So hanggang dito lang kami kasi medyo doon madami na pong tao doon. But that's the road going to Mexico. Pag gusto niyo pong, ayan, dito kami dumadaan.
Tiens, bois too big. Tiens.
Tubig.
Too big. Parce qu'après, tu es Canada.
After umihi, ah.
Attends, c'est comment dire?
Hein?
Attends. Je vais dire une phrase dans ta dialogue.
Si.
Alors déjà, toute simple.
Hein?
Gusto too big.
Hein?
Po.
Hein?
Mo. Gusto too big. Mo.
Hein?
Et après, gusto ako bumili pinapay in maliit palengke. Saan maliit palengke? Ça va, tu comprends pas?
Si. I want to buy a bread in a small palenque.
C'est pas mal, non?
C'est pas mal.
Ça va faire un petit peu des phrases maintenant.
Ah, nice. Bikers. Dami ng mga nagmamotor.
2 millions, j'achète un terrain ici, quelque part.
I lost the cement. Thank you, Jinky. So happy.
This one is nice, it's Nike Chinalas. Zapatos.
Old sapatos, ah?
I think it's a fake brand.
Oh my God.
You happy?
The other one is missing. Yeah, okay, that too.
Jamie, honestly, are you in good mood?
No.
You're not in good mood, why?
I'm hot now.
Huh?
Daming itik. Dapat tika-farmer to. Yan. Panggawa ng itlog na maalat. Wala pang tao. Wala pa silang bisita. I think wala pa. Maaga pa kasi. Wala pang car. Itik.
Je comprenais pas comment se passe à côté de la maison sur internet.
Awa?
Oui?
Nawala yung dalawang ng sapatos ko. Ayan, kasi lumang-luma na to. Ngayon, natatakot akong mawakwak to at magpaa hanggang sa bahay ni nanay, which is maybe around 300 meters pa. Mesi. I go to take off. Wait. Yan po. Kinky? Asan ka? Tingnan mo yung shoes mo. Muntik na kitang tawa ka. Ang hirap yatang maglakad. Dimungkog ka talaga. Tingnan mo. Isang nawala.
For a long time.
Tapon mo na yan, Neta.
No, fix
No.
It's for my walking,
No. Frosh mo. Cannot
No,
fix.
fix it.
Cannot fix anything.
We can fix.
No, it cannot fix
In the
this.
Philippines, we fix everything.
Sige, fix mo to, oh. Sige, fix mo. Yan.
This one is not for walking.
No, fix mo lahat. Sige. Hindi ko tinapon, ha? Tawa ka dyan. Di nagsabi ako, Lord, sana wag naman po itong mawakwak. Dahil pagtatawanan ako ng mga tao. Ay. Di, luma na talaga dong. Luma, una to, anyas na pala ito. Dapat tigtatapok naman bagata.
Asawang lalaki.
Asawang lalaki.
Asawang lalaki. Bari.
Asawang lalaking
Asawang
gwapo.
babae, niya asawang lalaki.
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 Today, Sunday po today. So, we're back to Ka-Farmer's house. Ka-Farmer's Diction house. Tingnan natin kung mas madami today kaysa kahapon na po. So, kahapon, really fully booked. Full house po sila kahapon. So, we'll see ano po. Ano yun? That's only Philippines. I don't know if it's basura or...
Oh, ça bouge, hein. Et ça bouge beaucoup, Timmy, hein. Attends, je recommence. Je fais...
Asan, marami yan. Ha? Sa taas, marami. Parang wala gaano ah. Parang wala pa gaano. Owan! Chichi! Chichi! Lagi ka nakapaga. Owan, pakis. Oh, sige, sakay na muna, sakay na. Dito ka, Chief. Bye-bye. Love you.
Oh, mais l'écart sur le lit, hein. Hein? Mais l'écart sur le lit, hein. Ok.
Babalikan daw.
Kasi kapon nagtampo siya, di ba? Iniwanan ko kasi siya. Sinabisi rin tayo, di ba? Siyempre, nagtampo din. Nag-walk out. Taste, Frank, if you want, ha? Taste. Oh, hulog. Nahulog, oh. May nahulog. Late, kasi si Frank nag-walk-walk. Ayan, medyo na-late kami dalawa ni Frank, ha, Frankie? Halo-halo na sa huli ka. Nahuli ko. Huwag natin isama to sa kasiguran, ha? Takaw, ha? Joke lang yan. Sino pa? Si Rizal. Mamaya ko explain lang. Na-late kami. Sabi ni Saysay, ang dami daw kanina. Pagod si mama, no? Ang sipag kasi.
Okay lang po, paano po matagtag sa tabay niya?
Mulong ang tabay. Sexy nga eh. Wala nang, ay may lechon pa rin sila. Order. Yung sila Puro, tsaka si Rambo nandun. Ano, Frank, you want to sing?
No.
Oh. Hello, preparation. Alaska.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't know.
Kanina daw madaming tao.
C'est quoi ça? Sisig, c'est du riz, non?
Sisling sisig. It's the, you know, the hot
C'est quoi sisig?
sisig. But it's all like lechon. They do cut, and they put in the very iron plate.
Alors, leche flan. Ah, il faut du...
The flan, that's like Catalan, you know.
Et pourquoi leche?
Because leche it's milk.
Leche is milk?
Yeah, in Spanish.
Yung tagal ito ah.
Ayan, si Jello Ocean. Shout out kay Osh. Today's guest. Sarap ah. Si Kong Kong lag talaga nandun. Yan na, Frank, come here. No, we just look. To you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday boy! Ito yung birthday boy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday ah! Ilang taong ka na, Beng? 20! Ah, kasing edad mo si Osh! Yeah, he's the same age with us yan. 20 years old. Yeah.
And CJ and Jersey.
Came from where? Samoa.
Wow.
Frank is studying Tagalog too.
Sa Australia kasi sila din.
Ah! All the way from Australia. Chika-chika dito. Explain ni Frank yung apps na to.
More you learn, more you unlock.
Oh, okay.
And you can go far.
If I come back,
Yeah, I come back, you're going to be very good.
if I come back, I'm doing what I'm wearing. Oh, that's so nice there. Yeah,
Because when you are in a group like this, sometimes it's boring because you can't understand anything. So if you now begins to pick up some words, I know, so I can understand the sentence or the meanings.
Sometimes she tell funny in Filipino, so she's left behind. Yeah.
it's already dead.
It's already there.
Okay.
Oh, so were you guys staying close by here?
I mean, Mom, that loves halo. Halo. Special halo.
No?
So proud of you.
There are many restaurants like this. You can wait in
Si Frank Chick. Oh, birthday again. Yan, full ano naman, ano po ngayon, sa, okay, yeah, okay, Sunday po today, full park na lang po, Sika Forum. Ayan, dami pa, may dumarating pa po. So, kanina daw, hindi kami masyadong maaga. Kaya yun. Hi, Pog! Good morning po. Yan, ayan, daming tao. So, at least, naging busy daw sila kanina. Ayan si Bebe. Dami pa rin tao. Ayan, at least this one, mga bata. happy naman sila. May mga dumarating pa. Bye-bye! Ingat po! Thank you very much po! Ingat po kayo! Thank you po! Ingat! May dumadating pa doon.
Wala po. Kapalit ko na lang. Bakit? Wala kami sa ubo.
Kubo daw, Beng. Si Frank. Video natin. Yan, mga avid po ni ka-farmer. Ibablog natin to. Yan. Ayan.
Hi guys!
Ayan. Olangga po. Subi, kanapit lang. Zambales. Dami pa rin tao. Ay, si Frank doon. Punta natin yung nagkakanta dito. Tingnan natin yung mga... Ano, kumusta ang buhay?
Nakakapaus.
Ma'am, nakakapaus na ba?
Sana yan lang.
Sana yan. Pahinga naman bukas. Daming tao nakakahiya.
Bukas wala na yan. Pahinga.
Oo. At least merong kita kahit pa paano. Siguro one day meron ding malaking ano yan. May mahilig sa music, di ba? Walang may... Mahirap kasi pag hindi ka masyadong yung napapractice. Kaya yung mga talagang laging nagkakaraoke, di ba? Pero pagka yung... Kasi dati mahilig din kumanta. Kaya lang nung kabataan ko, tapos biglang na-stop.
Stop talaga, ano.
Ah, c'est bizarre, non?
Ikaw magusip-gusip ka dyan, Kasi si Frank may gusip-gusip pa.
Yeah.
No!
Don't say.
I don't say. Yeah, ayan pa marami pa rin dumarating.
Comment on dit silence au Tagalog?
Malapit
Putain, j'ai
na.
oublié celui-là, silence. Merde, j'ai oublié.
Mapula na yung lechon, Wow. The difference when the lechon. Now it's very red.
Ah, bah non, il est rouge maintenant.
Yeah.
C'est tout à l'heure, ça?
Yeah.
Oh, putain, ça va vite.
Sila Puroy, pagod din sila.
Tiens, il y a du monde encore aujourd'hui.
Yeah. And they have already many people, They came out around maybe 10 o'clock.
C'est marrant les gens qui veulent filmer toi alors que tu es d'Australie.
Sorry. Daming dumarat. Papa-shout out. Nasa si Frank. Yeah, this one single bird.
Caméra now.
Yeah. Gusto niya daw pong magpa-shout out. Gagamitin itong sa akin tsaka kay ka-farmer. Ayan, kay ka-farmer. Ayan, babait po nila. From ano po sila? From Australia and Canada. Ayan. Yeah. Nat. Paalam. Paalam. So, anong oras pa lang? Bus na. Paluto na ulit. Sagad.
then Bohol to,
Medyo
we
natin.
went to Cebu, and then right after that is Boracay.
Boracay.
I like Bohol.
It's not life, huh? Bohol, Cebu, Boracay.
That's the best, Bohol.
Bohol is
Ah,
Because
Bohol, yeah.
Boracay is too crowded.
too crowded, yeah.
When I was 19, this is 19 Subic.
This is 19, you are living in a...
Dumating. That's it. Kasi po nandun. Yeah, 12, I think. 12.
Ça va pas bien.
Ouais.
C'est mon avis, il n'y a pas pour...
But today I don't see too much, no? Depends.
Après, il ramène...
Akin na. Selfie. Oh. Naging may pilikmata ka.
Yung ano, yung...
Oo. Oo, mahilig si Osh. Alam mo, ewan ko kung saan pa may papapicture. May dumarating.
Sabi ko kay Rizal, sara mo na yung...
Wag naman, ang layo ng pinuntahan nila.
Sarado mo na yung... Anong lechon eh?
Ah, c'est multiplié pour Shanghai.
Thank you.
I can,
Salamat
join
po.
the singing
Frank, say good.
band right on the...
This guy.
Guys, we have to go to Bohol, you want some?
Yeah.
We have to go. Sometimes I wanted to say more.
I think I've been here.
Go.
2 years ago, this one. But
Yeah, see?
So it's the second time you come here?
Huh?
Second time you come
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friends are from Candaba.
Candaba, quite near. Yeah.
I'm not Kapangpangan, but my home record is Santa Maria. Just
Santa
a
Maria.
Senior card.
Senior card.
They talk to me Kapangpangan, but I don't know how.
Oh, yeah. Me never. I never speak, but Engelbert, I know.
Yeah, he does.
He does because, you know.
He grew up,
with the-
he grew up here,
Yeah,
right?
he do because he do the university in Assumption.
Right.
But me, I never study, so I never learn.
Oh,
Yeah.
I followed this from when everything was still grown.
Yeah.
There was no how.
Yeah. No.
Sure,
Yeah.
picture, you have a picture,
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a picture here. Yeah.
You know, like I said, the concept is. All right, let me go on over there.
Yeah.
Sweetie, my name's Lou. Lou.
Frank, yeah, nice meeting. Yeah,
Yes,
opo,
yes.
thank you po.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Après, je devrais quelque chose après.
Kumain kami dito. Mahingit nito si Lola.
Timi. Ganahan kan kumain.
Ganakan kumain. Naku, Lola. Laki kasi sa mama. Shout out kay Lola. Sa mama tuloy. Hindi ka nakatipid. Lola, shout out.
Look, Lola.
Ano na po, ang daming tao. Si Frank nagutom na to. Ayan.
C'est bon, hein?
Dexter. Dexter.
Thank you, Kapebe. Thank you for pulling up with us. Saan ba kayo? Nice meeting you again. Bye-bye. Yep, it's a small world. We'll see you again.
Yeah, sure. Ingat po kayo enjoy. Lahat sila nakaka-farm.
Dito tayo, di ba? Ano nga? Pinapaano ka pa rin talaga. Kasi sarami ko. Dapat dito sana. Dito sana kayo.
Ito talaga. 20. O yung bunso ko, 25.
Pwede kayo lang ito.
Hinalaan ko na po sa anak ko na lalaking 18.
18? May dalawang anak na lalaki.
Patay!
That's what she's been trying to do. But I can vouch for my sister. They're good looking kids. Oh, very good looking.
Kasama ko silang uuwi sa December.
Patay kayo sa...
Nag-video unahan.
Got a son, 25 years. Yeah, nag-isip po sa isa. First come, first serve.
One more?
They got to come in December. Yeah. Manugat na! Sige po, ingat po.
Kasi dumadaan niya. Please take a picture of you too. Do you mind if you take a picture?
Yeah, me, I can. Yeah, sure.
I'm in the group. Yeah, can you feel bad? Kulang mo kami lahat. Lumisyan ko ko. Video sa inyo. That's why, alam mo kanina.
Sinasama na si Sai. Pwede po. Pinamimigay na si Sai. Patay tala si Sai. Patay si Sai. Ulit. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you. Giling na Dex. To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Aba, mga tuwang-tuwa yung team ka-partner. Happy birthday.
English, you know?
Nakatawa sila.
Because I used to remember that because we lived close by to the Clark Air Force Base used to be.
Maybe siya.
Maybe, yeah.
And we used to call all the white boys, "Hey Joe!" Everybody's Joe. Even you think call it.
Yeah, Joe.
I was working with Ocean, it's very small on my shallow.
Yeah.
Hey Joe, hey Joe. So all the time.
Yeah.
So big smile, okay, Joe.
Because we're in the Philippines.
When you're white.
American.
They always say
Because
American.
American.
Even if it's German, French.
But say,
American.
it's Joe
I
always.
used to do some biking on the mountain. I used to do before.
Tapos na, cleaning tayo na. Ano, maglakad na tayo?
Because it's amazing to be.
Yeah. Sino daw? Asan si Bebe? Magpapapicture sila. Tabel-tabel pa si Kapama.
Habang tumatagal mong kinakain, lalo mo nagugusto ka.
Kataldal talaga si Brad.
Pagpatigas ang tuhod nyo.
Papatigas na to. Tama naman. Nice meeting you po. Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Finally, I met you in person personally now because I watch you when you.
Big day today. So, pauwi na kami ng park. Nag-walk kami kasi dami namin kinain. I mean, I eat alo-alo. May inggit si Lola. Meron pa rin tao. I will see the chicken. Kaya. It's the chicken. Naglilay ba kayo ng eggs? Oh, it's dry now. Look. Dry na. Small one here. No. Yeah. Yeah, yan na. Have one. Which one? And kukuha kami ng papaya pag may hinog. Wala. No, walang hinog. This one. It's bulok. Ah, this one. Take. Yeah. La, okay na, no more. No more. I think there. Okay. Dili namin doon sa Surplus Japan. Dinadali na ni Kuya. Wow! That's nice! Wow! Ganda!
J'imaginais pas ça alors.
Yeah. Yeah! Galing Kuya! That's really good. Push! Yeah. Yeah. We have before like this in France when they were kids.
Dora, t'es niqué Dora.
The Naked Dora.
Dora, t'es niqué.
Kasi minsan pag may nakarang dyan, nagtatilwa si nanay. Diba ayaw niya. Mahirap kasi tanggalin syempre. Hindi niya na kaya yung ganon. Mahirap talaga. Mahirap na siya. Dami nga nag-a-ask kay mama. May mga viewers siya na, I mean, maybe they want to see her laba over there. Kaya na-explain ko na ano na talaga. Hindi na, she cannot stay long talaga. Galing niya ako, This one we bought like 300. We bought the 300. No, 300. 50 pesos discount, I think. So, why?
But the hero is the one who see it.
Ikaw.
I saw it. I think we need it. Oh, yeah!
Ikaw na naman ang hero, No, but it's good job, no? You put this one, no? I think. This, the gitna.
En fait, il a coupé en deux.
Yeah.
Cut in half. Hop, il y a this one. He fix. And fix this one also. Et
Yeah, kasi kinukulit siya pag umaga. Pag malaki na yan, dong.
No!
je sais qu'elle va sauter.
Yeah.
Elle va sauter, je suis sûr.
Yeah.
Tu vas voir.
Kabayo yan nakakapag-jump yan Kabayo yan I think it's going to jump.
Yeah.
Putulan mo na lang ng paa si kabayo Kuya, kaya niyang i-jump.
Yun ang sinasabi ko Hindi pa kasi hindi pa nakala. Ito pa nakapit. Nakapit ko lang dito.
Yan. Para sa mga dog. Galing. Inumaw na naman sa sadiri niya. Inumaw na naman sa sadiri. Mga ara magbikol baga kang inor.
Kung hindi yan nakita, di wala yan.
Talaga.
Kanya nang ginaganong-ganon.
Dami.